How to change your Wix template. To change your Wix template, it's really easy. You have to go to your theme section. Right, so on the top right, you will see the search bar. Now here you can just write for theme, and here you will get this website template. Now open it up, and the best feature of Wix is that you will get a lot of themes for every aspect of the store you want to build. For example, as you can just go and explore the theme section, the template section of the Wix. But of course, these are some of the filters which you can apply and you can get it. For example, if I just go and click on all template, it will just show me all the templates and I can just go and just keep on checking, right? If I just want a blank template, so I can just get a blank template, and here I can edit each and everything, right? And this is a collection, for example, new template, most popular, so I can just go here and these are the most popular template. Now to add a template, it's really easy. So if you want to change it, for now, as you can see here, my store has a pretty bit normal template. Let me show you up. Okay, and then I will show you how you can change it up. Okay, so it just take a few seconds of time to load it. So this is the template which I'm using. This is also a very normal template here. To change it, I have to do nothing. I can just, if you want to view this, so for example, I like this template, I will just go and click on view. I will check that everything looks really nice. And this is for the marketing purposes. Let's say I will just go and view this one. So this is look also really fine. And if I like this template, I have to just go and click on edit this side. Now here you will see my template will be changed here. So you have to just wait for a few seconds. Now I have got this template to customize. You can use this or you can just close this up. Okay, so this is my template and I can just edit each and everything. If you have any of the products, of course, all the products will be always available. There will nothing deleted. And once you have did everything, you can just go and click on publish. So now this template will be your website template, right? So this is how you can change your Wix template. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.